So, hello students. So, in this lecture I will discuss about the projection of the line when it is inclined to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. Okay, so first I will draw the pictorial drawing. This is vertical plane as usual. This is the horizontal plane. Vertical plane, horizontal plane, and now the line is inclined to vertical plane and parallel to HP. So line will be inclined to this. So it is inclined to this vertical plane like this, and this is parallel to HP. Okay, say this is CD, and it is inclined to vertical plane at some angle phi. Now when you see from this side for the front view, you will project what you will project, it will be foreshortened. Okay, you get a shorter length. So this will be its front view, C dash, D dash, and when you see it from the top, you get to see the actual length. You will see the actual length, and the inclination is there phi. So this is phi. So this will be phi. Okay, now this is front view, this is top view, represented CD. Front view is C dash D dash. Now if it is extended in such a way that it will meet some of the principal planes, like here it will meet, if it is extended it will meet, okay, it will meet here, say it is trace, that is the vertical trace. Okay, so this is known as trace. It will not meet HP because it is parallel to HP. So I will discuss the projections. Now again you have to rotate HP clockwise 90 degree. HP clockwise 90 degrees. What will happen? You will see here. So it will be two planes separated by XY line. So this is XY. This is vertical plane, horizontal plane, and in the front. Now here you will have to draw the top view first, because you get the true length in the top view and true angle of inclination. Here you can see this is the top view is CD, and angle of inclination is phi. Here it is given. Then you have to project the front view. It will be foreshortened. It will be C dash D dash. Now projections are always thick, continuous thick. C dash D dash is thick, CD is thick. The line joining the front view and top view is thin, continuous thin. And you can also name it as C note and D note if you want to. Now same thing I will discuss, I will draw with pencil. Now again I have to draw the XY line first. Now before that I will give you the statement of the problem. So it can be, statement can be like this. So a line CD is 50 mm long, is inclined to vertical plane at angle 30 degree. It can be 45, 60, whatever angle can be given, and parallel to HP, such that its end C is 20 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. Draw its projections and also find out the trace of the line. Trace of the line. Now I will draw this. Okay, now it is xy, so this is xy line. First thing is we will locate the point C. So see here it is given 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Above HP will be, above HP means you have to, this is 15 mm above HP means above xy in the first angle, and in front is 20 mm, so this is below xy. So this is C and this is C dash. Now it is given the angle is 30 degree. Okay, so I am again taking this angle. So this is horizontal line. 30 degrees. I will take 30 degree. I am using this protector, but you can use your own protector. Okay, so it is 30 degree from here. So you can take the simple protector, no problem. So and the length is 50 mm. So here I am taking 30 degree angle and length is 50 mm. So this is how you find out D, top view. Simply you have to project it vertically, simple continuous thin line as the projector, and this is your front view. Okay, you get D dash here. You can also mention this angle phi is 30 degree and this length is 50. Now trace. Now you have to extend this line. This is the top view. You have to extend wherever it meets xy. Okay, it is I need, so I have to increase this xy line. Okay, now wherever this meets this xy line, when it is extended, from there you have to draw the vertical. And from the front view you have to draw the horizontal. Okay, so this point is the trace, vertical trace. Now here it is denoted as capital VT, and this point where it is touching this xy line, this point, this is x, and this point is the top view of this VT. It is lowercase v. Okay, so this is the trace, vertical trace. Okay, you have to extend this wherever it meets the xy line. From there draw the vertical, and from here, from the front view, you draw the horizontal. Wherever these two lines intersect, you get this vertical trace. Okay, and this is the top view of this vertical trace, lowercase v. Now you can also show the units, dimensions. This is 50 mm. Okay, and this is 15 mm. This is 15 mm, and this is 20 mm. This is 20 mm. Use the extension line. I will just use this arrowheads, 3:1 ratio as usual. Okay, and this is again, this is 15, this is 20. Why I am placing these dimensions inside? Because it will cross here the lines, or it will cross this line. then that's why to avoid that, then you have to place this is 50 mm. I hope you understood it. Thank you.